Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, Polk County in western North Carolina, northwestern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Columbus, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Boiling Springs, South Carolina, Landrum, Mayo, Tryon, Chesney, Cowpens National Battlefield, Lake Bowen, Cliffside, and Mill Spring. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Polk and Rutherford, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee and Spartanburg. A severe thunderstorm